Unlock the power of TradingView by mastering the art of chart, resizing for unparalleled visual clarity and focused analysis. This quick tutorial will guide you through adjusting the size and dimensions of your charts, making intricate patterns and price movements easier to spot. First, locate the bottom edge of your chart panel. You'll notice a subtle bar along this edge. This is your primary tool for resizing. Now, simply click and hold your mouse button down on that bottom bar. While holding the click, drag your mouse downwards. You'll see the chart panel expand vertically, giving you more room to view price action and patterns in greater detail. To decrease the height, drag your mouse upwards. This is perfect for when you need to fit more indicators or panels onto your screen. For adjusting both the height and width simultaneously, move your mouse cursor to the very bottom right corner of the TradingView window itself. Here, you'll find a diagonal resize icon. Click and drag this corner in any direction to resize the entire chart layout and all its components to your desired dimensions. Experiment with these simple techniques to create a viewing experience that enhances your focus and allows for more precise analysis of any asset. Don't forget you can still scroll horizontally to explore different timeframes and historical data, even after resizing. Mastering chart resizing is a fundamental step in optimizing your TradingView workflow for success.